Welcome to Radio Flyer Help Videos. Today we will show you how to install the front two wheels onto your Pathfinder wagon. To complete the installation, you will need the following items. Two front wheels with the casters installed. This should have been done in a previous step in the instruction sheet. Two washers, two hubcaps, four plastic bushings, and a hammer to install everything. We will begin the installation on the right side of the wagon body. We know this is the right side of the wagon body because the word right is inscribed next to the hole on the underside. Before installing the right wheel, check the serial number on the side of the caster. For the right caster, this should end with the letter R. With the right caster identified, the next step is to slide the metal washer onto the caster. Once that is complete, slide a plastic bushing onto the caster over the washer. Now we can plug in the top of the caster and the bushing into the wagon body. Make sure that you push it in snugly so that the washer is firmly pressed up against the wagon body. After repeating the installation for the left side, we can now tip the wagon down on the floor so that all four wheels are touching the ground. With the wagon now sitting level, we can install the plastic bushings by slipping them over the metal casters and pushing them into the wagon body. We want to ensure that the top surface of that plastic bushing is flush with the wagon body. So we'll do that for both sides, right and left. Now we can install the hubcaps. Do so by taking the hubcap and slightly pressing it with your hand over the caster. This should secure it in place temporarily so that you can hammer the hubcap down into position. Repeat this on the other side as well, making sure not to